What is the number one struggle to building wealth in 2024? We are about to get in on this. This is going to be awesome.
What's up, everyone? My name is Ace Guzman.
And my name is Rich Guzman.
And here is the thing, Rich. What is going on this year?
Oh, let me tell you, a lot is going on. This is a sneaky one. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
When it comes to what's going on in this year, we're talking about the silent killer called inflation.
Oh, boy.
Right? That is really stopping a lot of people from building wealth literally right now as we speak.
Man, when I think about inflation, I think like it's like this invisible force stealing from our wallets while we're not even looking, man.
Well, did you know that it's a tax? It is actually another tax, they say, right? And, it's hitting harder than ever before. Prices are shooting through the roof, right? Making us feel like we're running on a treadmill, just staying in place. I mean, it's just round and round we go, round and round we go. And it keeps getting worse.
And here's the kicker, right? Like the usual suspects for fighting inflation, we're thinking they are dropping the ball.
They are because think about this, guys, right? Everybody on the internet is telling you, you got to get stocks, you got to get gold, you got to get crypto.
Yeah.
I ain't got time for that.
No.
I ain't got time for that. I mean, we need a new hero right now. We really do.
We definitely do. But what's the game plan?
Well, it's time to flip the script.
All right.
Time to flip the script, guys.
Okay.
All right. Let me tell you something. We're talking about building residual income. Man.
I like that.
Get excited. That is the secret sauce, guys.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Building residual income is the secret sauce to combating inflation that is literally killing people's wealth.
Absolutely. And the thing about residual income, it literally is great to have because if you got residual bills, you definitely got to have residual income.
Now, that's crazy because I talked about that before, right? I mean, if you got residual bills, you got residual income, you're all set, right? Bills don't come like once a year.
No.
Bills come like every single month.
Mm-hmm.
And you guys know the facts, right? So we don't have time to wait for an investment to grow and see if it's going to go up or down, all this kind of stuff.
Definitely,
you'll be waiting before you know you'll be hitting the grave.
Yep. And
right?
the best part, you don't need any like fancy smancy degrees or like a fat wallet of cash to just get started. Anybody can hustle their way to financial freedom with the right attitude.
Yeah, exactly, guys. So, hey, what are you waiting for? I mean, don't let inflation wreck your financial dreams, right? Start hustling for that residual income today and take back control of your money in 2024 and beyond.
So with that being said,
we're going to wrap it up.
Let's wrap it up.
Let's wrap it up.
I think y'all got the message.
Guys, that's a wrap for today. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video if you're watching us on YouTube. Okay. And also, just so you know, link is in the description because we have something that we use that we actually earn 80% residual commission. Let me tell you, we build wealth long-term by this one strategy. And you know what? You might be saying, well, maybe I want to invest in some stocks and some gold and some crypto. Well, that's cool. But if you ain't got no money and Uncle Sam is making a new inflation tax on you, how are you supposed to afford investing in stocks and crypto and all those things, right? It's so easy for people to tell you that. But the reality is you need to build your own residual income so you have that income to invest, diversify your money, and kick the inflation to the curb.
All right, guys. Until next time, we'll see you guys. Keep on hustling.
Keep on hustling, guys. Take care.
Bye now.